Hey, my name is David Dekel, and I wanted to do this short video to share my experience with Explaindio 3.0. Originally, when I first got the first version, which was 1.0 a couple of years back, even back then I thought it was pretty revolutionary and ahead of its time. But the truth of the matter is that Explaindio 3.0 takes it to a whole new level with the type of 3D animations that you can put there, the type of cartoons they got there, and it's all drag and drop, very simple to use, very easy to use. So if you've been using video in your business and you want to take it to the next level with capturing even more attention and commanding even more attention in the marketplace so you can get more leads, more sales, more revenue in your business, Explaindio would definitely be the way to go. On top of that, there's a ton of templates installed in there that you pretty much can, even if you never used it before, or even if you never used video before in your business, this would definitely be the way to go, because you'd be able to create mesmerizing videos that really capture people's attention literally within minutes of actually starting to use the software. I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.